What's good, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm bringing you 4 simple tips and tricks you can use to go ahead and expand your income by turning your trash into cash. Now, the first one you may be already hip to and you're probably already leveraging it, and that's recycling and scrapping. So in the carpet business, you take your old metals, your blades, things like that, throw them into jars, buckets, garbage cans, stockpile them, and when you have enough of your scrap metal, you could actually take that to the scrap metal spots and turn those in to convert it into cash. But there's another way most people aren't hip to, but I guarantee there's a section in every one of your cities that you could drop this off, and there's big recycling for carpet batting and certain types of carpet. Now, usually this is with supply distributors. So what you want to do is bundle up all your excess padding, put it in the garbage bags, and then drive it out to your supply distributor. They typically don't pay cash for this, but they'll give you credit for supplies and tools. So if you fill a truckload with padding, drop it off to them, they weigh it up, they give you $20, $50 in credits for supplies. You could turn that into blades, seam irons, kickers, knives, whatever the case may be. And if you actually needed cash, you could buy a bunch of blades and then resell those boxes to convert it into cash if you actually needed the money and didn't want to just leverage that extra supplies. So that's the first and easiest way for you to turn your trash into cash. The next one is to take your broken tools and unload them on eBay. Now, typically, me personally, if something breaks, you just throw it out, you get another one, you just keep moving forward. But there's a huge marketplace on eBay to go ahead for these refurbisher type people to buy your used broken tools. They'll take them, they'll buy them as parts, and then go ahead and rebuild and resell whatever they do with it. So before you take your old seam iron, your tacker, your kicker, and just throw it out whenever a piece or a part breaks on it, go ahead and list it on eBay, just sell it as is for parts and convert it into $20 to $30, have the buyer pay the shipping for it, and then leverage that into new tools and expand your business, or even marketing. Put that back into your bandit signs, things like that, to get the word out and expand your business even more. The next one, all your excess material, sell that stuff on Craigslist. You know your garage is full of remnants, padding remnants. Bundle those up, take pictures, list it on Craigslist, and that's how you get the fast cash immediately. So, you know, landlords will buy this stuff from you. Down on their luck, homeowners that just need to scrape around and get a couple bucks, they'll buy your extra LVT, your pad balances, carpet remnants, just get something warm on the floor, buy some time till they have the money to get something new and better. You can provide that product for them, $20, $50, $100, whatever the case may be, no matter how much you have. So keep that in mind. List your excess material on Craigslist and turn that into cash. And then the last one, I honestly, personally have never done this, but I know people that have, is donating your extra material for tax credits. So these are like your Habitat for Humanity type joints. If you take them, you know, extra rolls of padding, carpet, LVT, and just donate it, they'll write you a receipt, and you could actually turn that in with your taxes, give it to your accountant at the end of the year, and I believe that you could use that as a deduction on all your income. So that's another way to convert your excess trash material into cash. So those are my tips of the day. For more tips and tricks on the carpet and flooring industry, be sure to subscribe, comment below, and we have the DIY toolkit giveaway every single week. If you want to get in on that, just drop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, sign up right there, and then every week we pick a random subscriber and send them some cool tools. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.